Create artisan pizzas with me right at home with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. Today I'm having some friends over, so let's make a few Neapolitan-style pizzas back-to-back for a pizza party in a flash. First things first is setup. I have my outdoor oven plugged in with an outdoor extension cord. Pizza stone is installed in the accessory frame and it's ready to go. Turn the left dial to pizza. You'll see at the top of the display there are 5 different pizza settings, including custom. Today I'm selecting Neapolitan and setting the time to 10 minutes so I can do 3 pizzas back-to-back to back. Press start and the oven will begin preheating while you head inside to prep or hang outdoors. I've let my dough come to room temperature as this makes it easiest to work with. This oven uses electricity for fuel, so there's no live flame to be intimidated by. Plus, the electric heat provides an evenly heated oven so you don't have to turn your pizzas. So while one is cooking, I can prep the next or spend time with my friends. For the easiest experience and best results, heavily flour your surface before building and only build your pizza when you're ready to cook it, or else it might become soggy. Having a peel is a must when making pizzas. Ninja offers a perforated peel to prevent the possibility of pizza sticking problems. Whew! After about 25 minutes, the oven is ready, and with this Ninja pizza peel, slide the peel under the pizza with a fast, strong motion. Confidence is key here. The oven will display add food until you're ready. Open the door, bring the peel to the back of the unit, and quickly slide the pizza off into a backwards motion. Press start to start the countdown. While my first pizza is cooking, I'm gonna start prepping the next as I have 3 minutes to do so. All right, it's been 3 minutes, so let's go get our pizza and get the next one in for that back-to-back cooking. When doing more than 3 pizzas back-to-back, be sure to wait until the ready light is on to help recharge the pizza stone and get the best crust so you can fully enjoy your pizza party nights. So check out ninjakitchen.com for more recipes, tips, and tricks to get you started.